Hoy, dilima. Kinig ka. Putang ina ka. 3 million addicts in this country. Hoy, UN. Pag-upabaw, kubuton ko na yung mga. There are now, even those who surrendered, 600,000. Do you think it's a joke? It's a joke for you to tell me about human rights. Come here and solve the problem yourself. I will fund you. I will pay even your, bibili ako pati yung toilet paper mo. Gago kayo. Salita ng salita. Diyan may problema ako dito. 600,000 tapos ganun kayo magsalita. Dilima. You are finished. Tapos ka na.